While searching for information, do you keep finding lawyers who are just selling their services instead of answering your questions? With 24 years of experience, I'm familiar with the frustrations you may have while making an injury claim through an auto insurance company. I do my best to actually answer your questions in these videos and in my free book. I am Arizona native and attorney Kevin Fine, and in this video I answer your questions about how to write another document you may need in your auto injury claim. Another one of the 4 documents that you will need to produce to start a lawsuit in Maricopa County, Arizona for your auto injury claim is called the summons. And this is along with the complaint, the certificate of arbitration, and the civil cover sheet. What the summons does is it notifies the defendant that they have been summoned to the court to defend a lawsuit, that they've been sued, and that they have a certain number of days, under normal circumstances that's 30 days, to make an appearance to defend the lawsuit, or that a default judgment may be taken against them. Normally that appearance is made by filing an answer. It's technically possible for them to make a physical appearance at a hearing in front of a judge to also begin the defense, but generally it's just by filing an answer. So this document, as some of the other documents, will follow at the beginning, follow the basic format that you produced for the complaint. So up here you're going to have your own information filled in at the top. You'll follow the same format here that you had for the complaint, including the information that you contain in this area, which is for the defendant, etc., starting with your information, then the defendant's information. And as you can see over on this side, you're going to need to change the name of the pleading itself, because it is a summons, not a complaint, so you'll fill that in as well. The number right here will be the number that is given by the court, so you don't have to worry about that. Now down here it gets a little different, because this language you will change in this area. You'll change the information to reflect the names involved in your lawsuit, but this will be the defendants that are being summoned to court. This language down here below that is standard language given by the rules of civil procedure themselves. So this will be standard in every lawsuit, and you can use the same language and you'll be fine until you get down to or down here you will fill in your information as the contact for a copy of the complaint, etc., if they need that. And down here you do not sign this. It's actually the clerk of the court that is issuing this subpoena, so they stamp it with their official stamp and give this back to you or to your process server to use in serving process, which is serving the complaint, the certificate, and this on the defendant. So that's how a summons is produced to begin your lawsuit and to properly serve the defendant. I answer more of your questions in my other videos, articles on my firm's website, and in my free book. Because your situation will be different in significant ways, the general information I presented here might not be right for your matter and is not legal advice. If you wish to talk to me about your concerns more specifically, I do offer a free consultation. You can set up that visit, or you can order the free book through the contact information on the banner below.